All right, here's the school desk we built. So the top is an acacia wood butcher block from Lowe's. It's 10 feet long, and it came stained, not espresso, spice. It's spice. The reason we know that is because this backsplash that we did, we were trying to figure out how to get the cords to come through and not have to drill through the butcher block, and so we spaced it out with a 1x and then routed out these openings for cords. We got 3 of them for each of the kids. And when we first stained that, we made the mistake of staining it with the wrong color. We thought it was espresso. So we ended up using spice, but because that's pine and the base is acacia, it was really hard to match. So we ended up mixing it with like 3 different stains to make it match. So it's sitting on Ikea Alex drawers, and the back is mounted, so the backsplash is actually mounted to the wall, and when we want to put cords in, we'll just pull this out and slide cords into those openings and then tuck them away and hide them. We only have one outlet that's actually behind right here, so we'll plug an extension cord into that and then use that as the base for all the 3 stations for the kids. So there it is.